bit this weekend just because it's going to be a fun weekend. We're dressing up Remi, and we're actually almost to my parents' house. We drove down this morning just to have a little Halloween party with my brothers and their kids, and just be with family. So we're doing that today, which will be super fun. I think we might do a hayride and all that type of stuff. It's super sunny right now, but yeah, thought I'd bring you guys along for the holiday weekend, and it should be fun. Okay, we made it down to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna pick a couple pumpkins, and I think we're gonna find some squash because Remi has loved squash. So we're gonna find some squash for you and a little pumpkin. She is Corilla, and she looks amazing. Show your eyeshadow. Wow, you look stunning. Fabulous, my girl.
Thank you.
Okay, and then here's Remi. She's a little clown. Remi, can you say hello? Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning, and as you just saw, we didn't film a ton last weekend. We were with a bunch of family, and I just didn't want to be filming around everyone. Not everyone is as comfortable with being filmed as I am, obviously, so I just didn't want to do that. But we got a little footage, and it was such a fun weekend. We were with all my nieces and nephew, and Remi got to dress up as two things last week, which was so cute. I literally live for this type of stuff, so I was like, I'm doing two costumes because I want to. During the week, I dressed her up as a snail, which was so adorable, you guys. I literally did not want to take her out of it. I'm like, you're so cute. I'll put a couple pictures here just to show you guys, because I should have filmed some of that, but I didn't. But she just looked so adorable. And then for actual Halloween, she was a clown, which I also made that costume, and I thought it turned out so cute. Just like a classic clown for her first costume, I thought was cute. And yeah, it was just a really fun weekend. We stopped and saw all of the parents, the grandparents, and yeah, it was just kind of fun to do that. I've always loved Halloween. As a kid, I loved dressing up, so yeah, it was just fun to be able to do that with Remi. But yeah, we had a busy weekend, so Remi is wiped. She has taken such long naps. When we got home yesterday, she took like a 4-hour nap, which is really long for her, and then she's already napping again this morning, so she is tired. So I think we probably just will stay home today and kind of get some stuff done around the house and just kind of be chill because she's tired. So yeah. I was just filming a little clip of me feeding Remi this morning, and my camera fell off the table, and now my screen is like flipped, so I am upside down when I'm looking at you right now, and it's very confusing. So hopefully David can maybe fix it when he gets home. Oh, do you want to be on the camera? Cute tooth. I think one more is coming. Well, we got one tooth. Anyways, I am going to start meal prepping a couple of things for Remi this week. The first thing I'm going to make is this little butternut squash that I'm just going to roast in the oven. We picked that at my parents' little pumpkin patch, which was super cute. And then I'm going to probably do some noodles. She hasn't tried noodles yet, so I think we might do some rotini noodles. And I feel like there's another thing I wanted to do, but those are the two for sure that I'm going to make right now. So do a little meal prep. Okay, I'm filming this on my phone currently because this is my camera, and as you can see, maybe you can't see, but I can't put my screen down. It's like stuck here, so when I flip it up, it's still, I don't know, I'm upside down basically when it's flipped up like this. This is how I vlog, and I don't know, it's very confusing. So I'm gonna try to fix it, and hopefully I don't break this because I could very well just wait for David to get home and help me, but that's not something I usually can do. Are you laughing at Mama? Is it funny? And Mommy's fixing her camera. Because she's a ding dong and left it on the table in a bad spot. That wasn't very smart, Mama. Okay, we're not 100% fixed, but I'm not upside down in my screen right now, which means nothing to you because I probably look the same the entire time, but it's very confusing to see yourself upside down. So, anyways, back to meal prepping. Okay, it's been a little over an hour and the squash is out, and I'm just gonna let it cool for a while, and then I'll show you guys kind of how I cut it up to feed it to Remi. She's down for her afternoon nap, so I'm gonna do a little quick clean of the house, or as much as I can get done while she naps. This isn't usually her longest nap, so we'll just see how much I can get done. I was doing a little content planning, and it made me want to sit down and talk to you guys really quick about just kind of the next month and Vlogmas. So yeah, I sat down to kind of fill out my November month for content planning, and I decided that after this video there'll be 3 more videos, 1 on Thursday and then 2 next week. And then I'm going to take 2 weeks off because December 1st Vlogmas starts, and I am so excited for Vlogmas. I always am super pumped, but I've never had a baby during Vlogmas, so we're going to see how it goes. I told myself I can't beat myself up too much if I miss a day, and I just need to like take a little break in between or something like that. I'm just fully aware of how much work Vlogmas is, and obviously like my family and Remi come before that. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up that I do plan on doing Vlogmas. I'm so excited for it, but I will be taking 2 weeks off in November just to kind of give myself a little break, give up some energy, and plan for hopefully the best Vlogmas that we've ever had. So yeah, really excited about that. And I guess that's all I really had to say about that, but I'm gonna start cleaning before she wakes up.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes.
Okay, to make this easy, I just cut like this first because I like to give her big like rectangles. I didn't peel this before I baked it, and I just will like go in and kind of roughly peel it with a knife. It's not probably you probably waste a little bit more doing this, but I've just found it to be the easiest. So I have this nice rectangle, and I'll basically just cut little pieces like this. They're like this size, and I could keep them like this, but I usually will go one more time just so it's like a really nice, like, I don't know, stick for her to like hold on to. So I'll just do that a few times. And this has been her favorite vegetable so far, which is good because it's in season right now and obviously very healthy for her. So yeah, I'll just do this and I'll cut it all up, and then I'll give it to her throughout the week. I normally would put her in her high chair, but she's like reaching for this, so I'm gonna let her try some. Go ahead. Yum. Is that your favorite? So good. Okay, I got a couple exciting packages that I thought I would do a little unboxing. One I thought was for me, and it's not, it's for David, but we both got new glasses at Warby Parker. His got here today. I thought they were mine and I was super excited, but I should wear glasses like 24/7 or have contacts, but my eyesight isn't super bad, so I don't really wear them at all. But I've noticed at night when I'm editing, I'm squinting so much at my screen that I'm getting headaches. So I went in and got my eyes checked, and then we ordered some glasses. So those should be coming soon, and I got some really like fun kind of different pairs, and I'm excited to try them. So anyways, long story short, I thought they were here, they're not, but I did get two fun packages. One is by this company that reached out to me on Instagram, and I'm so excited. They're cute, the little packages. It's a little small business, and I think it is a mom and daughter owned it. This is so cute. It's called Little Lamb Linens, and it's on Instagram. They sent me a onesie, a swaddle, and a pair of socks in the color honey, and in the design Sunspot is what it is. So let's see what it is. And they said that they would give any of you guys a 10% off code. So it's Lindsay 10 if you end up wanting to buy something from them. But oh my god, look at how adorable, you guys. Okay, and it's linen, I'm pretty sure. At least the swaddle I can tell is for sure. And it's just so cute. I'm pretty sure it's all hand dyed. I am dying. Look at these socks. Oh my goodness. And then this is the little onesie. So cute, like under a sweater right now. I just love this color. So yeah, the color is honey. So there's a little onesie, and then this is just the little swaddle, which is so cute. Love this. Okay, that is so cute. But yeah, they were so sweet and said the discount code for you guys is just Lindsay10 for 10% off your purchase. So if you want to go check them out, they do have different colors. I just chose this one, but yeah, it's just a small little shop on Instagram that I wanted to support. So if you are needing a little gift for somebody, it comes packaged super cute, and you're supporting a small company. Okay, this next package is also very exciting. It is from Tubby Todd, which I had heard of before I had Remi, and then actually after I had her, like the first few weeks she was born, she had really terrible, like, I don't know if it was baby acne or like an eczema, or just like their skin is so sensitive after they're born, like right after, and you don't really put on like lotion, and I didn't really like give her a bath, and so I was just looking up like what I could put on her face that wouldn't irritate it more, and I'm not kidding, when I typed in like anything like what can I put on my baby's face to help this, I would say 95% of people wrote Tubby Todd's all over ointment or something. So I was like, okay, I'm getting that. Anyways, I got it. It fixed it within like 3 days. It literally was gone. It was an amazing product. So when they reached out and they just asked if they could send me a couple things, I was like, yes, I love you guys. And we still put it on her like almost every time we give her a bath, just on her like face, just to, I don't know, put a little ointment on it. But Okay, this is so fun. Give me some stickers, and then they gave me some hair and body wash, and then their everyday lotion in the scent, what is it, lavender and rosemary. So cute. Oh, I love when they come with these little pumps. That's so nice. I want to smell this. I love like any yummy scents. Okay, that smells amazing. It apparently has natural avocado, mango, and cucumber extracts, and I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's gluten, dairy, paraben, artificial fragrance, color, and animal cruelty free. So it's really nice quality, and I definitely feel safe using this on Remi. So I got that, and then what else did they send? The 2 pumps, which is, again, so nice. And then the all over ointment. This is the stuff that we used on Remi's face, and this is the size we bought, and you can hardly tell that we used it. You just have to use the tiniest amount, but it has been so nice. And like I said, it changed her skin within 3 days. It was wild. So love this stuff so much. And yeah, thank you, Tubby Todd, for sending that to me. That was super fun to look through. Okay, sorry that I'm literally living in this kitchen in this vlog, but it's just that type of Monday. I kind of just needed to like food prep and clean and stuff. But Remi is napping. It's like 4:45, and I'm gonna start dinner. We usually don't eat now until like 8 because Remi goes down at like 7:30, so it's just kind of nice to be able to like eat together, like not one of us having to hold her. So we usually just try to like eat a little bit later. So I'm just gonna get it ready. I'm making French onion soup, and then I think I might make some acorn squash on the side. But French onion soup takes a while, and that can just kind of like simmer for as long as I need it to, but just getting like the bulk of dinner done now while she's napping will be super nice. And I'm a little bit bored, to be honest, which doesn't usually happen. But I was like, I feel like I need to do something, but I don't really want to do anything. I was just kind of like, what should I do? So I'm gonna make dinner a little early and hopefully get a little head start on our little nighttime routine. So I am making the French onion, just like the base right now, and it is really easy. I don't know it off the top of my head. I have to kind of look it up, but it's basically just chopping up a ton of onions. I think I'm gonna use like 4 to 5 large onions, and then it's like just a broth basically cooked in that. But you have to cook the onions until they're like super soft, so it does take a while, but it's pretty easy. So we're gonna get to chopping onions and make this soup.